You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this name. If you want to learn some of the most popular but also most confusing names in the world and their pronunciations, just stay tuned for a second, because I've got tons of really good videos for you. There are two main different pronunciations here, and of course, you've guessed it, Ina is one of them. This name has origins in many different areas: Japanese, German, Scandinavian, the Baltics, also Spanish and Italian, and many of those are pronounced Ina. In English, however, it is sometimes pronounced as Ina. Of course, how do you pronounce it? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. It would be great to hear your own pronunciation. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.